Hello everyone, welcome to TechObro. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to write for loop through a fixed range. For that I need to write for num in range. So in this case, Python allow us to fix the starting index. So I'm going to use 2 and 10. Here 2 defines the starting index and 10 defines that we are going to print from 0 to 9. So let's print it. As you can see, it starts from 2 and end in 9. Let me change the value and show you. Okay, it's 10 and let me change the index. Okay, as you can see, it's changed. This is how you can use a fixed range in Python. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.